In order to keep our farms productive, it's important to make sure the crop is clean and healthy. That means that sometimes growers need to apply pesticides or fertilizers to the crop. Here in Ellensburg, companies like Airoterra are helping growers do that safely, effectively, and efficiently.
We are able to apply different agricultural products, pesticides, seeds, and fertilizer to increase their production.
Eric Meter is the president of Airoterra. Alongside regular application, they're looking to new drone technology to help them apply products in tricky places.
Agriculture is a tough business, and to make it going forward, many farmers are realizing they have to embrace the proper technologies to maximize their profitability.
We started out with ground application and then saw this as a way forward.
Quentin Hufford is the operations manager for Airoterra. As one of the pilots, he knows how important preparation is for something like this.
It flies mostly autonomous, so once you've got all your planning and your parameters set, pretty much hit go and it goes out and it'll fly the mission. When it runs out, it comes back and lands back where it took off. We refill it and it goes again. We can also take over pretty much any time. If there is an obstacle, if something comes into the airspace, shut off the sprayer, land it, bring it back to us if there's an obstacle or a problem.
I promise I won't touch it. I really want to touch it. Can I touch it?
Oh yeah, you're welcome to touch it. It's very durable.
Yeah, I would imagine so. It's big.
It is, yeah. This is the tank here that we fill, and then this drone has 2 nozzles on the back side there. So what that actually does is it spins as the liquid comes out, and then we can control that depending on the product you're applying, depending on the conditions. You may want a larger or smaller droplet, and so we can control that on the fly with the controller, which gives us a lot of flexibility there.
How much does this hold?
So this model here holds about 10.5 gallons.
There's always pressure to reduce pesticide use. With drones, your rate control is adjusted by speed and GPS. No excessive overlaps, no over application when you slow down. It's really just a great tool to both minimize inputs as well as maximize the time window when you can actually get out there and manage the land.
It kind of seems like there's room for all of the different types of applications.
That's definitely true. I don't think drone's going to be taking over for manned aircraft or anything. I mean, there's things that they do better, and there's things that manned aircraft does better, and there's things that ground rigs do better. So I think they're not going to be a solution for everything, but I think they'll have their place.